will stay just a little bit longer. We wanna play just.
What's your name? You're from Lille, and I'm from Azua. They just are names. They don't mean anything. Why are families enemies? I love you, and that's the only thing that matters.
You are right, Juliet. Nothing else is important. Call me love, not Romeo.
Shh. I know that voice. Romeo, why did you come here? If my father finds you here, he kills you.
It's love that brings me here. I'm not afraid of Merida's rules. I think nothing of danger if you really love me.
What about you, Beatrice? Which shall we find a handsome for you?
Don't talk to me about husband, my lord. It's late. I'm going to bed.
Okay, I have an idea. I think that the best husband for Beatrice will be Benedict.
What? That is impossible. They argue every time they meet.
Benedict says that she'll never marry.
And Beatrice says that she'll never marry.